So, number one, in this passage, the author makes what? So when you're dealing with the short passages and it's an inferential question asking you something about the entire passage, since it's only a paragraph, you might want to just read that entire thing. So we'll just go through this whole passage really fast. So it says, when the laying of the Atlantic Telegraph was nearly completed, I was in Liverpool. I offered the company £1,000 sterling, $5,000, for the privilege of sending the first 20 words over the cable to my museum in New York. Not that there was any intrinsic merit in the words, but that I fancied there was more than $5,000 worth of notoriety in the operation. So, the author is making what in this? So he's telling us that he just wanted the fame of sending that first telegraph. So A is a concession. So a concession with a C is something different from a confession with an F, which is answer choice B. You may not know what a concession is, so you can leave in A, and we can come back to that. B is a confession, and he actually is confessing something here by saying there's not really an intrinsic value of what he's saying over this telegraph, but that he was just so excited to be the first person to do so. So that's his confession, saying that he's really excited. So we're going to leave B in. C says a profit. So even though we see lots of dollar signs in this, it's not that he's making money off of doing this. So C is going to be out. Then D is amends. So to make amends is to fix something. He's not fixing anything here, he's just making an offer. So D is not going to be our answer. And E is his mark. So this guy, if he has $5,000 to spend to send the first telegraph, he's probably not making his mark by doing so. He probably, it says in here, to my museum in New York, so that's probably his mark. This is just a novelty. So E is not going to be our answer. So even at this point, if you're not sure what a concession is, B, confession, is going to be our correct answer.